Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Alda with starter ID number 2410912320012. Group 4, Rinjani. I am from the Public Health Study Program, Faculty of Medicine and Health Science, Lampung Mangkurat University. In this video, I want to present my essay on the theme of ethics of respecting others, with the titles Ethics of Respect in Multicultural Society. First, definition of ethics. Ethics come from the word etika, which means science, politeness, morality, and the word ethos, character, costume, humanity, in a specific sense related to human interaction. Ethic is formulated in the form of written rules, codes that are systematically created based on existing moral principles. Thus, ethics is a reflection of what is called self-control, as everything is created and applied for the interest of the social group profession itself. 2. Function of ethics. A. Ethics serves as a good line that shapes the norms and standards of individual behavior. With ethics, individuals can understand what is considered good and bad, right and wrong in their interaction with others. C. Ethics helps create harmony within society. D. It acts as a means of social oversight. 3. Ethics of respect in a multicultural society. Multiculturalism refers to a process of policies that recognize, appreciate, and promote cultural, ethnic, religious, and social diversity within a society. It is based on the idea that society consists of diverse cultural groups that interact and coexist. Multicultural approach that importance of respecting human rights, equality, freedom of religion, and recognition of the identity and culture of minority groups. 5. Criticism of multiculturalism. Critics often highlight the risk of conflict arising from the clash of differing cultural values when societies try to accommodate various cultures. Tension of emergence between traditional and modern values. Additionally, the likelihood of social segregation might increase where certain groups become isolated and do not interact with each other, by building bridges between cultures and promoting social cohesion. Societies can better celebrate diversity without losing unity and without fostering hostility among themselves. 6. Ethics of respecting others in a multicultural society. Multiculturalism is a term used to describe a perspective on the diversity of life in the world, or cultural policies that emphasizes a function of diversity, plurality, and multiplicity as a fundamental reality in society concerning that value, social system, and political frameworks they adhere to. In a multicultural society, we as fellow human beings need to appreciate each other regardless of difference in attitude, culture, religion, and belief. The next is multicultural societies need to emphasize respect in all areas. In a multicultural society that values difference, every individual's human rights must be respected and protected, regardless of their cultural, ethnic, or religious background. The result is the creation of a fair and inclusive environment for all community members. In multicultural societies, diverse cultures come together and interact, creating a greater cultural richness. We must appreciate the various cultures present in our communities, leading to an increase in the variety of arts, music, dance, language, cuisines, and other cultural traditions. By appreciating the different in a multicultural society, these positive impacts bring benefits to individuals, communities, and society as a whole, creating an inclusive, harmonious, and dynamic environment. Therefore, following cultural difference and building a multicultural society is an important step towards creating an inclusive, fair, and harmonious environment. In a multicultural society, individuals and cultural groups have the opportunity to learn from one another, interact, and collaborate, leading to a better understanding among community members, higher tolerance for each other's practices, and closer cooperation. Appreciating difference and understanding that every individual has the right to their beliefs about life encourages individuals to lead, include life, and empathize with those who hold different beliefs in various forms. Following others is easy, and it is important for us to respect the community and the public at large. Multicultural values are explained in the language of the vision mission of the multicultural education by always upholding and respecting pluralism, democracy, and humanism. Then, with these three things, young people are expected to become a generation that always upholds morality, discipline, humanistic, care, and honesty in daily behavior. Explaining some of the multicultural values, there are the following indicators: learning to live in difference, building mutual trust, maintaining mutual understanding, upholding mutual respect, being open in thinking, appreciation and indifference, conflict resolution, and non-violent reconciliation. Multicultural society, it takes several concepts to create a multicultural society in order to be strong in the existing environmental conditions. For the people of Indonesia, the concept of multiculturalism is not just a discourse of something that is imagined, but this concept is a condition that must be fought for because it is needed as the establishment of democracy and the welfare of society. Multicultural societies are often individuated with ethnic, religious, and cultural diversity and culture. According to the most recent census data, a given city or metropolitan area can exhibit in a population composition that includes dozens of different ethnicities and religions, creating an environment rich with diversity and development rich with diversity. At the local level, many communities face cultural and religious integration challenges. For example, interreligious conflict and inequality in access to education and employment are issues of access to education and employment are issues that need further scrutiny. Thank you for your time and attention in listening to this presentation. I hope the ideas shared here can serve as inspiration and reflection for all of us. We flout the values of respecting others. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.